Welcome back to our course. In this activity, you will create a simple yet detailed Flask web application called Image Resizer. This application will allow users to upload images, resize them, and download the resized images. Let's get started by outlining the project and setting up our development environment. Are you ready? Let's do this. Resizer will have the following features. 1. Upload up to 5 images, PNG and JPEG formats. 2. Enter target width, height, and quality for resizing. 3. Preview the resized images in the browser. 4. Download the resized images one by one. Technical specifications. To achieve the features, we will use the following technologies and approaches. 1. Use Pillow for resizing images. 2. Accept files by extension only, PNG and JPEG. 3. Serve processed images from a temporary folder using Flask send _from_ directory. 4. No authentication required. 5. Use a basic UI with Jinja 2 for templating. 6. Use secure file names when saving uploads. Next, we will set up your project. Now you will set up your project. Exciting, right? Let's start by creating the project structure and generating the necessary files. First, create a project folder on your desktop. Create a folder as you did a lesson back, and name it Image Resizer. Now open the Cursor AI panel as you did before, and click Open Folder, Project. Go to Desktop and click on your Image Resizer folder. Second, open the Chat panel if it isn't already opened on the panel. Third, now we will generate your project files using the chat box in Cursor AI. We will generate the project files using a prompt in the chat. Here is the prompt we will use. Type it in chat. Build a minimal Flask web app called Image Resizer that lets users 1. Upload up to 5 images, PNG, JPEG, JPG. 2. Enter target width, height and quality. 3. Preview the resized results in browser. 4. Download images one by one. Use Pillow for resizing. Accept files by extension only for now. Serve processed images from a temporary uploads folder with Flask's send _from_ directory . No authentication, CSRF or header hardening process. For the UI, use basic Jinja 2. You can use secure file name when saving uploads. Okay, here are actual screenshots of me executing the setup steps. 1. The Image Resizer folder I created on my desktop. 2. The Cursor app I opened and clicked on Open Project which is highlighted. 3. In this image, you see my desktop which I selected when I clicked on Open Project from Cursor. You see the Image Resizer folder. Double-click on the folder to open in Cursor. 4. Here you see the Image Resizer folder on the left circled in gold. You also see the chat box on the left circled in gold. Tip. If Image Resizer is not the only folder you see, click on the other folder, click on Edit on the top tab, and close folder. You should only see the folder you are working in before you go any farther. In the next slide, I demonstrate the prompt and what it produces. Let's do this.
Okay, what you see in front of you is the same Cursor panel that you saw before. I have pasted the prompt that we're going to use right here. You can see it exactly as it says. A couple things to notice here. When you get down to where it says Flasks, okay, you see the backtick says send from directory and then a backtick. That backtick is located on your keyboard, usually all the way up to the top on the left underneath the squiggly line. Mine's underneath the escape button. The button has a squiggly line and a backtick. So just click the button and it'll say send from directory unless you copy and paste it from the text below in Canvas and it will already have the backtick on it. But make sure that you have all of this in there exactly as it says. Okay? When you have that in there, you ready? I'm so excited to see what happens. This is where the magic happens. See right here, this little up button? You can either click that. See what it says right here? It says generating. Now it's going to tell you. It's going to help you create. It's talking to you. It's telling you the files it's created. Boom! Look at that. It's already creating them on the left side. There's your code. It's creating all of this for you. Liking this vibe code, aren't you? I know I sure am. Now watch it. It's going to tell you. Now it's creating the app.python file and the code for all of that. It's creating all of that for you based on the prompt. Okay? So it's going to continue generating. There's the HTML file. Without the HTML file, you and your users would not be able to see it in a web browser. Because remember, only what's in the HTML can you see. So now it's giving you the README. The README is a markdown file that tells you how to use this. It's creating every bit of this. Now it's done. What's it say? This application automatically create an uploads directory for your file storage. You can see all the files over here on the left. You see them. You have your templates, your app.py file, that's the main file. You have your README file, and you have your requirements.txt file. If you click on any of them, you'll see it right here. The requirements.txt is open. It's telling you what the requirements are, which we told the cursor chat what they were. Let's click on a README and see what it says. It's going to tell your users that this is a simple Flask web application for resizing multiple images at once. It's going to list what the features are. It's going to tell you how to set it up, how to run the application. So anybody that sees this on your code can actually run it. So I highly recommend that we create a GitHub for you, repository, to put this in so that you can put it on your resume and have people run this, okay? Now, when you click on your app.py, that's Python. That's the main file for your Python. It created all the code for you in Python. Over here, when you click on the templates, it's your index.html, again, the one that makes it possible to be viewed, and the results.html. So this is what you should be seeing. Okay, so make sure, stop the video, make sure all of this, that you're caught up with me, and that you're right here, you have all of these files and everything looks like mine, and then come back.
Wow, I hope you are as excited as I am. You just created your first application with AI. In the next activity, we will run the app and troubleshoot any errors. See you there.